Hi everybody, it's Connie from the Danville Public Library. Today we're going to celebrate community helpers. That's our theme for this week. When you come and pick up your kit this week, it will look like this, and it says, "Hello, I'm Dr. Susie. Hello, I'm Nurse Randy." And you can fill out one of those, and there's a word search. And then when you get a patient, you get to fill out information on your patient. What's your patient's name? What's your patient's temperature? So those are your documents that you're going to need to become a doctor or a nurse. So every doctor and every nurse needs a kit. And this is how you're going to make your kit. You'll have a piece of black paper that looks like this. And I'm going to use some tape, and I've also used some glue. So I'm going to take some tape, and I'm going to put my handles like that and like that, so that my doctor's or nurse kit has a handle. And then I'm going to take the other handle, and I'm going to put it on the other side. And let's have a little tape there and there. Now here's your doctor's kit. You're all ready. Oops, I think you need something on the outside. Look what I have. You're going to get 2 red strips of paper and a white circle. And I took mine and I put mine on there to look like a cross, a red cross. And then I'm going to take I'm just going to take a little bit of glue stick. Oh, and here's the completion. Here's my, oops, let's get that stick on there. Stay straight. There's your bag, okay? Now, let's open our bag up and put some supplies in there. Oh my goodness, there's your Band-Aid. There's some Q-tips. Oh, cotton balls, of course. And a tongue depressor, you'll need that too. So this is the things that are in your doctor's bag. And if you want to, you can take some tape or some glue and glue them down, but you don't have to. And that's your craft for this week. And you can pick that up at Danville Public Library. And I want you to get a good patient. I want you to be a fantastic doctor or nurse. And I want you to take care of your patient the best you can. Have a good week, everybody. We miss you. Bye.